Okay, so we're going to look at converting decimal numbers into hexadecimal numbers. So I'm going to start off with the number 33. Now this is 33, it's 33 in base 10, but normally if it's base 10 we don't actually do that. So this is the number 33, we're going to convert that into hexadecimal. What I'm going to do to start off with, and you'll be doing this on a computer, so you'll have a calculator, I'm going to do the number I'm trying to convert, so 33 in this case, 33 divided by 16. And I'm going to get probably a number point something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to totally ignore everything after the decimal place. So I'm just going to look at this 2 here. And that's going to be my leftmost number, the first number. What I'm saying here is that 20, the first number is a 2. 20 would be 2 16s and 0 1s. Okay? So I'm just going to put a question mark there, in fact. It's 2 something. Now, 2 16s, hopefully you can do it in your head, but I'm going to do it on the calculator, are 32. I'm trying to get 33. 2 16s are 32. I'm trying to get 33. So I need to add 1. What that means is my second number is a 1. So 33 decimal is 21 in hex. Let's try another one because there is another way we could do this, but it's going to involve some maths we probably haven't done before. Let's start with 29. I was born on the 29th of October. Let's start with 29 decimal, but I'm not going to say that. I'm going to start off the same way. I am going to say 29 divided by 16. I'm going to get this. I'm going to ignore all of that stuff. I'm just going to keep the 1. So my first number is 1. I don't know what my second number is. Okay? What I'm then going to do, now you will need to make sure that you are in scientific. When you open your calculator, it'll probably look like this. I'm going to go to scientific and I'm going to type 29 mod 16, which is 13. Now, as we know, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13. So what that means is 29 is 1D in base 16. So let's try this 33 again with this other method. It starts off exactly the same. 33 divided by 16 is 2.0625, but I'm going to ignore that and I'm just going to do 2. The second number is going to be 33 mod 16, which is 1, as we already know. 21 base 16, 21 base 16. So it cuts out a few steps. Now, what mod does is it effectively says, what's the remainder? If I divide 33 by 16, what's the remainder? The remainder is 1. If I divide 16 by 16, so 16 mod 16, the remainder is 0. So if I were to do 48 in decimal, I would start off by saying, okay, what's 48 divided by 16? Well, it's 3, there's no decimal place to ignore. Then what's 48 mod 16? It's 0, so I get that. Now you will be able to use a calculator when you're doing these, so it's no problem learning that method. Okay?